go down the giant mountain.
Wait, is that car going down? Yeah.
Oh wait, no, it's just going back into their direction. That's nice.
Now you guys die. They're right over there. Did you see them? They're right there.
An interactive dark ride experience. Prepare to do battle with Joker and Lex Luthor to help free the Justice League. You can get these tasty treats down on our left and smell 15 miles per hour as it crosses over itself an amazing 14 times. And folks, it's not just a thrill ride. It's a thunderstorm with a seating chart. That one's courteous of ChatGPT. That's your favorite game. Can we find our car? If you can find your car, raise your hand in the air. That's not many of you, I'm worried, guys. Distinguish us, the pistons that power our train, instead of what are called the Tommy G. Burns non-polluting propane. As we enter the all experiencing positive and negative G-forces. At this time, we are now pulling into the Bugs Bunny National Park train station of Funkin. Beyonce says to the left, and we're gonna do what Beyonce says. If you get off the train and you see a station and an angry conductor, please get back on the train and try again on the other side. Please remain.
These rides are so experience the sights and sounds of Gotham City's park and on the road for a treat. Sorry, to my left is Hurricane Harbor, a 12-acre water park that I'm sure we are very
Yes. So what about these wooden roller coasters? That's crazy.
Yeah,
Did you guys go on that?